Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking It Up with KC, and today we're going to be making another simple and quick breakfast video. These are highly requested and I'm glad you guys enjoy my breakfast video and I really appreciate the support. So today we're going to be making 3 different hot dog styles, some cheesy dog styles. So let's get into the video. Okay, before I start the video, I preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit so you can do this. Okay, so here I have thawing oat. It is 3 frankfurts. Yes, this one is different than these 2, but it's fine. You can use anything you want. So here I have 3 different frankfurters and they're just thawing oat here because we're going to be frying. So here I have them flame on medium heat in just a small skillet. I'm going to be frying my sausages. We're just gonna fry them until ready to your liking, and we'll be back.
12 seconds later. A few moments later.